guys, welcome back to my channel. Now this is weird because I'm actually filming this intro for the second time. I did film this entire video over a week ago now, and I've just come to edit it to get it up on my channel for you guys to watch, and I've realised I am rambling. I'm rambling so much that I couldn't even edit it. It was really annoying. The whole subject of this video is basically to show you how to make our wonderful vegan / vegetarian stir fry. So that's kind of all I want to show you out of this video, and I'm sure it's all you want to watch. You don't want to see me talking on for 20 minutes about my cats. I'm gonna start this again. This is a new intro, hence why I'm wearing my Harry Potter slouchy jumper, because I am halfway through editing this recipe video for you. So basically, hello, welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about our vegan / vegetarian stir fry, and it's the nicest dinner, I'm telling you. If you like noodly dishes with like really nice rich oriental type sauces, you're gonna like this recipe. It's a really affordable, easy way to eat vegetarian or vegan. You can just add a bit of chicken in this. It's like not just for vegetarian vegan type recipes. I'm showing you the vegan option. Whole dinner costs less than £5. It's really easy to make. You can literally start and finish within 15 minutes and you've got a massive dinner. One of our favourites. We probably have it once a week. Firstly, if you are new, my name is Sophie. I make 3 videos on this channel every single week on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays, all about living your best life on a budget, whether it be food, fashion or fitness. And today's a foodie video, so I would subscribe if I was you, because we do a lot of these things on this channel. Let's get rid of all that rambling, jump straight to us making this delicious dinner. Lawrence is home, which means we can start making one of our faves. Stir fry. Stir fry. Let me talk you through all of the ingredients so you guys know what you're going to need for your Sophie / Lawrence beautiful noodle dish. Here are the ingredients. Now, first and foremost, you're probably all going to moan at me because we got food from Waitrose. Yes, we shop all over, not just Aldi. And also Waitrose do a really affordable and good stir fry deal. So you can get this and this, £2.50. So shop where you has good deals, basically. These are our ingredients. We are using smoked tofu. If you aren't a fan of tofu, I would try it again and try the smoked tofu, because it's actually got like a really nice flavour to it and it is super delicious. With this, you need to press it.
Otherwise it just falls apart. So yeah, we can show you how to do that.
We are using the Waitrose wholesome udon noodles, which are really similar to egg noodles, but these are vegan. So this can be like a vegan recipe. You don't really need all of this stuff. You can just buy one of these and throw it in. This is the Waitrose rich and savoury black bean sauce with ginger and garlic. We also add some pure sesame seed oil, some dark soy sauce. This stuff we just kind of pick up out and about, so it doesn't actually matter. We have some crunchy tender stem broccoli stir fry. So this again is a bag of stir fry stuff you throw into your stir fry. Like we said, this, oh, and this was reduced. Fab. This and this comes as a deal. Use some smoked paprika, some turmeric powder, ground cumin, ground coriander and ancho chili flakes. Quite a lot of additions to what you would normally need with a stir fry. This is going to remain pressed under here.
Yeah, we'll put a plate on top of that with some books on top.
So it's in here. I'm going to leave that for like 20 to 30 minutes max, because I'm starving. Put this other plate here. I'm now halfway through pressing the tofu. Now we are adding, what are we adding?
So first of all, we're going to put some ground cumin on. We've changed, oh my god, that's a bit much.
Wow. Should I do that?
Yeah, shake it off. So we
shake it up. Guys, you don't have to do this, but if you really do want to follow along, like, this does make it super nice.
It does.
Now we are adding some ground coriander to it.
Yeah, it's kind
just
of
little bits.
A little bit of citrus. I'm going to flip them over just so that they can kind of soak in on one side. I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric.
Also with this tofu, we're going to be cutting it up.
We are going to be cutting it up, we'll show you that. These are the anchovy chili flakes, so these are actually smoked chili flakes too.
Not too many.
They're alright, they're actually not that hot to be fair. And extra smokiness,
Paprika.
Smoked paprika.
I'd like to know everyone's thoughts on paprika because I personally like it. I think it's nice. It's nice with like scrambled eggs.
So good. Smell that. It's unreal.
Ooh. It smells kind of sweet. Back pressing only for 10 more minutes.
Pressing it. We're going to go big time just to extra squeeze it.
Look at that. It is time to unpress the tofu and start the stir fry. This is where it gets intense because it's like time management, isn't it?
It's all in.
This is where it becomes all in. So let's go.
So hopefully.
To be fair, it doesn't look like look different, but it makes it like, it compacts it.
Yeah, loads of water. I mean, even now, like you can see, like
so you can
there's
see
water that's
cutting it. So like what, a centimetre?
Yeah, so I just cut like, yeah, maybe a centimetre in each direction.
We cut them in cubes. I'll grab a pan, some kind of frying pan. You want something quite big and round because you'll be doing a lot of this.
A wok.
A wok if you've got one. Start the heat and you're adding...
I'm adding toasted sesame oil.
Toasted sesame oil.
That's got like nice flavour. It does get a bit smoky though, so I've closed the door just so the alarm doesn't go off.
Turn that up to max.
We'll just kind of let it really kind of get up to heat, but you can kind of tell when it has, because at the moment like the oil's still quite thick, but when it starts to really like run, when it runs like water, then you're good.
Get your veggies ready.
Get everything ready.
Got to get everything ready.
Honestly, it becomes just this kind of crazy,
like mad
throw
rush.
it all in. I stir fry this.
Yeah.
Get it all nice and crispy because you have to kind of leave it on one side and then after a minute flip it over just so it's kind of crispy, and then I actually take it out, put it back in here, do the rest of the stir fry and add it in back at the end.
Okay.
Right, because otherwise it gets all rubbery. Right. Okay, here we go.
So, said tofu is going in there. Can you see how it's like smoking?
It is smoking.
Woo!
Alright. So just jiggle them about until they're basically like, each one of them is just touching the oil. So it's all good. And then you kind of let them just crisp up on one side.
Been frying for a little while, and then you want them to kind of look like that on the bottom.
Yeah, and you can kind of feel that they've gone crispy.
Yeah, they've gone a bit crispy.
So just
and then you're going to turn them all over.
Yeah.
And also, just for reference,
you really don't need to worry about cooking them because they're safe to eat, whatever.
It's safe,
texture.
It is texture. So we do it for about 3 minutes on each side. You want to fry it so it's like kind of crispy, not burnt, but like cooked, you know?
Yeah,
fried.
Like a little bit nice and golden.
Okay, so these are fried enough now that we can start taking them out. We're actually going to put them back in this bowl. Stops it being rubbery, and we can kind of fry everything else without the worry of them getting overcooked. Okay. Right, in go the veggies. Wow, that was quick. Yeah. Give them a little zhuzh. Notice how all the veg starts wilting.
It does wilt a little bit.
Now we're putting some dark soy sauce into this with the veggies. Oh yeah.
You can use light. So.
Get it.
Noodles.
Noodles. In they go. Now this is all kind of like wilting down together and frying. We're going to add the tofu back in.
We can chuck the sauce in.
In goes the sauce. Get it all out. Every last bit of sauce. There's still some sauce left.
Tiny bit. Can we squeeze it out?
Ow!
That really.
I know, I put my hand on the side of the thing.
Oh.
It gets really really intense really quickly, but really it's like a 10-minute dinner and it is so easy. What are you doing now? Lawrence is adding the water in now.
Tiny bit of water, just so we can kind of like get a little bit more sauce in it. There's literally gone like a spoon's worth, nothing really, but just a
tiny bit. Keep it moist, keep it glistening. Oh, that looks so good.
All right, that's cool. Turn it off, plate it up.
Some tongs, in it goes. That is the good stuff. Bon appetit. And that is basically it.
That's it.
That is it.
That's it.
It's really easy.
Really simple.
I think it's all about the confidence to do it, because like a dinner like that is like, it sounds like really different and interesting, and me, I'm not a confident cooker.
It was for us there, literally, that's like a 5-minute meal.
It's
and
a 5-minute meal. It's affordable, like really cheap, and it's so tasty.
It is so
It's
tasty.
unreal. Like you do not have to eat cheap food that tastes gross. Literally, like
Literally dropped a bit of tofu.
5-second rule. I need to go and eat now because I'm starving, but obviously let me know in the comments if you do make this recipe, because I would love to know. Okay guys, so that was the recipe video. Nice, short, sweet, easy dinner to make, and probably the tastiest. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to give the video a thumbs up before you leave, because it really helps my channel out. I love you very much, and I will see you again very, very soon. Mwah. Bye!